Hi guys, welcome to this video, and today I'm doing another of my Zippo lighter series. As per normal, came in its original Zippo box, and this week I've got a beautiful piece, New York Zippo lighter with the taxi, which is recognisable feature of New York. There. The New York skyline in the background, showing you the various sides of the lighter, and of course the bottom, and opens like that. A beautiful lighter, you have to admit, and I'll tell you what's in this booklet as well. As per normal, at the end there'll be pictures of said book. It's 1967, and the city never sleeps, and the song says by Frank Sinatra, it was so good they named it twice. And I Love New York is one of the city slogans, and there's Zippos with New York theme there, and a Statue of Liberty. The Midnight Chrome finish was released in 1992, and I Love New York also features on various lighters. About 800 different languages spoken in New York, allegedly, as it's a major centre for immigrants of America. It has 10 sister cities recognised by Sister Cities International, including Madrid, Beijing, Cairo, and the various sports teams have been on various lighters as well. That's the New York Rangers, New York Islanders, the basketball people. Skyline has always been a selling point of the city, even after terrorist attacks in 2001, and many images pay homage to the firefighters who died. That was 343, and that's the Midnight Chrome finish up the top. The various sports teams, I Love New York, and the UN sign up there, and a bit more New York down there. Okay, and because it's New York, this lighter here pays homage to the famous taxi as well as the skyline. There's also the bridge, which you can see on the lighter, which is the Brooklyn Bridge, and connects the Spanish East River from New York boroughs of Brooklyn and Manhattan. It opened in 1883. The yellow taxi colour scheme was decided in 1967, and is part of the New York story. And some more pictures there, and there. Since the next subject, start of staging screen. Since the early years of Zippos, people around the world have known the pocket-sized product in its own right. Perhaps one of the most famous and biggest links to Zippo lighters is in the award-winning New York-based period drama Mad Men, that ran from 2007 through to 2015. About the advertising executives in Sterling Cooper, set in the 60s and 70s. And Mad Men has been used to create a lighter and to advertise the TV show, as well as, of course, the Zippo product. Miss Saigon was also popular for Zippos. So's Hairspray. The TV series Friends has been recognised by Zippo as well, and MTV lighters as well to promote MTV. And those are some of the said lighters. Okay. Across the 50 states of America, every state has its own Zippo lighter at some point in its history, and what follows is a map of America and the various states' lighters, which you can see there, and a few more over on the other side. So it's not just New York's been honoured, it's every state from Alaska down to Texas. The space shuttle's been past the Zippo series, and there's the lighter Cape Canaveral and States Shuttle. A bit of history. Back in 1967, on the 4th of January, the year started with Britain. Donald Campbell tried to break his own land speed record. He died in Cumbria when the car somersaulted on this lake. It wasn't until 2001 his body was recovered actually. Charles de Gaulle, the famous French president, vetoed Britain's application to join the European Union. And the first cash machine opened in the UK. There's more than 60,000 in the UK, more than 3 million worldwide, but the first one was in Enfield, which is about 8 kilometres, that's 5 miles west of Walthamstow. And Reg Varney from On the Buses, the TV series, was the first person to use it. So here is this beautiful lighter once again. Famous New York skyline, famous taxi. All my other Zippos are in the description. And next week is going to be Playboy. Give this video a thumbs up and stay lit.